Alright, welcome to a new marble run video. I got a different marble run set that looked like a good price and was colorful and whatnot, so I went ahead and got it. And now I want to share with you what I learned about how you should pay closer attention to things. So overall, it's not a bad set. There's lots of pieces. It came with a lot of marbles, but on pretty quickly, easy to see that the marbles it uses are not the normal size marbles. They're mini marbles, but not just are they mini marbles, and this I realized even later, but the mini marbles that I accidentally bought that are colorful, even those are actually a little bit too big to successfully go through this marble run. So that's a bit disappointing. It did come with, how many marbles? 40 marbles, I think it says, but they're all the same, like clear, really boring color, so that's a little bit annoying. But it occurred to me that I might be able to like color them myself with permanent markers, so I might give that a try. But let's talk about the actual pieces themselves. So this is the marble run I have set up, which I have footage of putting it together with the help of my toddler, or the hindrance of my toddler. A couple of the things that I really liked about it is on the top here it has these starters. So the thing that I've been having issue with our other marble run is trying to start two marbles at the same time. So this is a little bit easier. You just flip them open at the same time. So that's nice. And there's some really cool pieces that are here. But my biggest issue, not my biggest issue, an issue with it is that it all feels a bit more likely to break than the Mindware set does. Just feels like cheaper, thinner plastic. And so I don't know how long it'll last. I definitely don't think it would withstand being stepped on with shoes on. So keep that in mind. And actually there was a piece that broke before I actually even got it on. So there's these orange S-bend type things, and for about half of them it comes with this wheel that you're supposed to attach, which is pretty cool. But this one, as I was trying to attach it, one side of the spoke broke off, so that now we're one wheel short. But other than that, I think it's pretty cool. I'll show you the build I did, and I'll show you the build and show it to you a little bit closer. And you'll have to decide for yourself if it seems worthwhile or not. It did come with, not instructions, but with some example pictures of what you can do and kind of low, medium, high sort of intricacy and difficulty. So that's nice that it came with some ideas. But let's take a closer look. All right, time for a race. Ready, steady, go. Well, something's happened here.
So you just laughed?
I did just laugh.
Is that marble stuck?
It did get stuck.
Is the marble called home?
Did it get hurt?
I don't think so. I don't think
You don't think so? I'm glad you don't think that the marble got hurt.
Can I join with you too? Can I join with you?
Yeah, come join me. Let's give it another try. You gonna watch? Ready, steady, go!
Can I try those marbles too? Can I try those marbles?
Yeah.
Okay. What should I pick? Blue
Those-
is my favorite.
Blue is your favorite. Okay, pick them.
Okay.
Wow.
That one got, those one got that. Where's the mother? That is that one. And these ones too?
You're gonna do those too?
Yeah. Green one. Oh no. The ball will go down. It will go down. The ball will go down.
Did the marble go down?
It take off to my hand.
Here.
Cute.
Is it stuck? There you go. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Can you grab more?
Yeah. What should I pick? These ones. Not ready, I think. Not ready. Not ready.
Do you need help?
Can we help?
Let go.
Okay.
Where'd it go?
It's empty.
Do you have something in your mouth? Do not put marbles in your mouth. Don't even pretend to put marbles in your mouth.
Do not put marbles in your mouth, baby Jaden.
I don't think he did, but I think he pretended. I blame you.
I realized I was hungry.
Oh, let's go.
Whoops.
I'm eating my burgers.
Oh, that's what you're eating. Go ahead. Go ahead and eat your boogers. That's fine.
Let's go. I think it's these ones.
What?
It's the hamburger helper thingy leftovers.
Yeah. Do they look good?
I mean, I don't think they technically look bad. It just... You want to see?